In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable call tracking in Apollo.io. This process is an essential tool for sales teams, allowing them to better manage and analyze call activities, enhancing customer interaction, and boosting efficiency. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another one you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search bar and type in Apollo.io, or alternatively, you can go directly to the Apollo website if you know the URL. After you've reached the Apollo.io landing page, you'll need to log in. You have two options for signing in. You can either log in using your email credentials or utilize Single Sign-On, commonly referred to as SSO. Choose the method that best suits your organization's security protocols and proceed to log in. Once you're comfortably settled into your Apollo dashboard, direct your attention to the lower left corner. Here, you should see an option titled Admin Settings. Give that a click and proceed to select All Settings. This will open up a broad range of customization options within your Apollo account, allowing you to fine-tune your user experience. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Dialer. The Dialer function is where the magic of call tracking happens. Under this section, you'll find Call Dispositions. Click on Add Disposition to introduce new call outcomes that you wish to track. Think of dispositions as labels that you can apply to your calls to categorize them better. For instance, you might want dispositions like interested, not interested, and left message. These notations become vital when you're analyzing call data to understand customer engagement levels and performance metrics. Another important step involves recording. Under the Recording settings, you'll notice that Apollo may have default rules in place, but these can be tailored to better fit your organization's needs. You can add new rules based on different geographical locations. This setting is critical as it determines how calls are recorded across all users in compliance with varying regional regulations. Finally, let's set up Conversations. Navigate to the Conversations tab to decide which types of interactions you'd like to have recorded. You have the option to record different types of meetings, whether internal or external. Remember, for the Apollo Recorder to join and record your meeting, it must have the appropriate permissions. So, double-check these permissions to ensure everything runs smoothly. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to effectively enabling call tracking in Apollo.io, allowing you to manage calls with greater insight and efficiency.